what up, y'all? So today we're meeting up with a few cars. We're gonna go take some rollers and shit. I figured I'd vlog it. But there's one thing y'all ain't seen. I lowered the fucking Pontiac quite a bit. The back's definitely lower than the front. I still gotta go back and do the front, but I lowered it. I think it looks a lot better. I was gonna make a video on it, and then I was like, you know what, whatever. It didn't take me long, and I was just trying to get it over with. But like I said, we're gonna be meeting up with some cars. We're waiting on everybody to roll up. Once they roll up, I'll pick y'all back up. But hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll pick y'all back up. Alright, y'all, so everybody's here now. We got a whole line of cars. Got Bruce in the Honda, Connor in the G, my car, Briley in the Volkswagen, Blake in the 370, Nate Ford in the Volkswagen GTI, T-Rex in the Toyota. Got Brady's truck, Brian in the Camaro, Tyler's King Ranch, and then Trey in the Vet. So we're finna slide. What you got to say, Tyler? Say what up, baby?
Yeah, that bitch a little dirty right now, but trust me, she's clean, she's limited edition.
Oh, baby. But we're about to head out, go take some rollers, and probably get some races lined up, so y'all stay tuned.
Supercharger, this is not a scat pack. You don't have to do me wrong just for you to feel. Don't give me that look, I see that look inside your eyes. Don't give me that look, I witness real niggas switch sides. 1,000-some horsepower, you cannot relate to that. Invest a couple thousands, made a supercharged 300 hoes be broke, I done seen bitches telling lies. Keep it a buck, you can't even tell me that you tried. I know I'm consistent, baby, that's the only reason me and niggas different, baby. I can take my time with it just to make sure my main bitch get situated. In this life, you don't play by rules, you play by whatever your position, baby. I be having conversations with my bitch like, why you ain't in the kitchen, baby? Benz, that's me, fashion over every week. Hair done, nails done, with Dior's on your feet. Ain't nobody ever do anything that I ain't done, cause I compete. You like physical touch and words of information, that's the key. You gon' give me whatever that's under that dress and let me make a mess. Too many ain't like me inside this world, so go on and take a guess. I work more than the average person in life, but barely break a sweat. I never surround myself around no dogs, but still might take a pet. How I do the least in 2022, but still make niggas upset. $100,000 been spent well, but that still ain't gon' make me pray. I ain't standing on top of all these niggas next, wondering when they gon' take a step. You know wrong and right in life, I did wrong and took it left. Telling me like, kid, baby, what it do? You not in your mood. I responded, yes, I'm fine, I just been focused on these busy blues. They wanna put me down inside this lifetime, but I been bound to make a move. I'm just getting started, this my first year, going strong, I got some shit to prove. Take your time and put it all in situations, but I got shit to do, I know my time cannot be wasted. I know my brother look better than me, but still be fucking hoes, that's basic. You can come back for being broke, but you can't come back from fighting cases. And that's the real spill. If you ever sat inside that cell with murders, that'll give you real chills. 25 to life with no possibility of parole, that's the real deal. Got a bad little bitch, she a freak and she a hoe, shit give you real feels. My uncle locked in with the lady with the perk, shit give you real pills. Sooner or later you gon' become a felon, you know time gon' tell it. It's hard for me to believe in the guy that they told us, you know my mind rebels. My ex bitch be lurking all over my page, I know that bitch get jealous. I was locked up way too many times, I was wondering which bitch gon' come bail. I was watching out for snakes, they be sitting so low, I'm knowing that shit ain't healthy. I was locked up in Paducah, Kentucky, I hated that bitch done jail. The streets be so cold, I'm hating to say it, that the system don't fail. Keep my eyes on the prize, I'ma make it out this shit, I don't care what they tell me. This a real supercharger, this is not a scat pack. You don't have to do me wrong just for you to feel. Don't give me that look, I see that look inside your eyes. Don't give me that look, I witness real niggas switch sides. horsepower, you cannot relate to that. Invest a couple thousands, made a supercharged 300. These hoes be broke, I didn't see bitches telling lies. Keep it a buck, you can't even tell me that you tried.
Blake, tell him one time. Blake, the bumper.
I just took her to the hotel, but this bitch ain't Paris. I said this a stingy hoe, she only let me put the tip in. Fucking hoes, I'm with my twin, we bout to fuck a London tip. Catch a fish on really. I'm in that water like I see that bitch my last. I saw death when I had crashed. Reminiscing about my bro, I felt that pain when bro had passed. I got these shoes, I ride with this stick too ready for my ladder. If I fucking hit some one night stand, I keep it all like that. Your love is talking shit we did before, said put it in a coffin. Damn it, walking, bro said keep it going, you gotta move with caution. Shit exhausted, bitches sneaking home, but I ain't tryna.
One car broke down, tranny went out. It was Nate Ford's Volkswagen GTI, and T-Rex followed him home, but we made it. I was gonna get some head clips of us on the highway, but I didn't even think about it. But we made it here. I think we're all about to go get some food, and then after that, probably cruise on back home. I'll get some clips on the way back too. But yeah, we made it. Alright y'all, so we just walked around the mall. Now we're about to go to the sushi place and go get some food. But we got T-Rex here now. Everybody here. But yeah, we're about to slide and go get some food because me and Courtney are hungry. And then after that, might get some rollers or something. I'll let y'all know. Yo, what up y'all? So we just got done getting food at this sushi place. Now we're about to go to this meet. I don't know how it's gonna be, but we got me, T-Rex, Brian, Blake, Trey, and Connor over there. And we're waiting on Butch, which is the one with the Volkswagen on the gold wheels. He should be pulling up like any minute, and then after that we're gonna slide this meet. So I'll pick y'all back up once we get to the meet.
Flick that shit back up. Keep baby. It take a lot to put this shit into motion. They didn't know I was hurting. Invested all we breaking generation curses. I fucked the city up when I pulled up Challenger, yeah, it's purple. 18 years old, I felt golden. They was saying it was stolen. PJ, my dog, I know we locked in, that's forever. Remember days we was homeless, trapping out the minivan. We was together. On my head dreaming trips to work. I take my time on me. Having sex inside the car, go listen to 5% tenant. That's my latest. I be feeling hated. Christiana said I'm the greatest. Look, ma, we made it. Still family be hating. That shit done crossed my mind again. Can't put my trust in any bitch. That shit gon' waste my time. I opened up my eyes, they was closed. I can't pretend I was blind again. I'm just trying to get these millions up. Yeah, won't play my songs cause they not feeling us. Yeah, blood over everything, I'm getting older. See why y'all T, we built like soldiers. Don't come around, we don't fucking know you. See it.
Street life, that's the only life we know. Street life, got to hustle and get dough. Street life, that's the only life we know. Street life, got to keep our Glocks in pose. Gotta hustle and get dough, cause I remember sleeping on that fucking floor. Mama had no money for that fucking rent hoe, so I was out there trapping, jugging all day from the fucking stove. If a nigga try to play with me, I up the Glock in 2 to 3, set his face at his knees. This ain't no Tonka shop, but snatching shit like repo. SRT and straight A's, bitch, they burning hoes up in the road. Close doors and drive-bys, I'm cutting at your fucking throat. Nigga try to play me, bitch, I'm aiming through the telescope. Mama's crying, son's dying, bodies getting telephone.
y'all. So we hung out at a gas station for a little bit because the first meet, cops got called. And as y'all can see, I threw in a couple of clips of that my buddy Bradley took on his camera. But we're sliding to this other meet. It doesn't start until like 8, but we're gonna pull up early to see what's cracking. And yeah, hopefully this will be a pretty long video. It should be pretty long, but we're just gonna go inside this other meet, see what's going on with it. We got, I think, 8 cars with us, 9 cars or something, so we're already pretty deep. But this other meet's supposed to be big, so y'all will see some clips from this meet as well, most likely. And yeah, I'll pick y'all up once we get there. It's about a 15-minute drive, so we'll be there pretty soon. Yo, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I never saw the intro that like night. Ended up coming home, passing out. We were out late. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stuff like that. Make sure y'all go follow Key on Instagram for providing the music. His Instagram is SRT_Key. I really do appreciate him letting me use his music on the videos and stuff like that. So if y'all could go show him some love as well. But before I ended this video, I wanted to show y'all. I did end up lowering the Pontiac more, and I mean it's pretty low now. I really do. I like the way it is now. I don't think I'm gonna go any lower. The front I want to lower a little bit more. I did that one side. We were having a fire out here, so I just went ahead and did it. But this side ain't lowered all the way yet, and you can see the difference. Obviously, I still got to finish this side up. I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow, but you can definitely see the difference on it. But like I said, man, I really appreciate y'all watching the videos and stuff like that. If y'all could go ahead and share and just show the love, man. You know, it takes a lot to put out these videos. A lot of people think it's easy, but I thought it was easy whenever I first started putting them out. It's really not that. I mean, it's really not that easy. It's not, you know, super hard, but you know, having to edit and stuff like that, it takes 3-4 hours just to edit one video. But yeah, we should have some more content coming. I'm trying to post at least once a week. Well, I took a little video of me lowering the car. If y'all want to see more of that, y'all just let me know in the comments, because you know, I just don't know if it's going to be interesting for y'all or not. The only thing I do is just cut the springs on it. I'm gonna eventually end up probably ordering bags for the car or coilovers. I'm not sure which one yet, but for right now I'm just gonna ride those out. I want to get headers and stuff like that for the car, but obviously that'll be future video plans and stuff like that. But I do have a couple videos lined up, especially this summer. I'm gonna have some riding videos up. I'm gonna end up getting like a moto vlog set up for the street bike, so if y'all want to see that, make sure y'all leave a comment as well. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to do the best I can. Y'all let me know what I can work on. Obviously I'm new to this, so I mean, I'm gonna have some problems and stuff like that that I can work out. But this summer should be pretty insane. Should have some pretty good videos this summer. We'll definitely have some like boat videos and stuff like that. I did take a video. We had a bonfire last 2 nights ago. If y'all want to see that, let me know. Comment down below. It's only like a 5-minute video, but I can go ahead and upload that if y'all want to see that. That's up to y'all. Really, it's just us messing around and stuff. We took a few clips of me cutting the springs on the car. So I mean, it was kind of like a tutorial, but it was just a really short tutorial. If y'all want to see like a long tutorial on how to do that, y'all let me know. I can definitely record that. Probably gonna end up cutting the springs on it tomorrow, so or at least finish cutting the springs on it tomorrow. So if y'all want to see that, let me know. You know, washing videos and like what products I use, I'll definitely make a video about that if that's what y'all want to see. Obviously, like I said, just spread the love, man. Just share it. You know, it's only a couple of clicks just to share the video. Just share it, post it on social media. That's the best way to really just to grow. I mean, it'd be much appreciated if y'all did that. And obviously, you know, if y'all did that, I'd definitely give y'all a shout out as well. But yeah, like I said, man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. I'm gonna go finish editing this and end up getting it uploaded for y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all stay tuned for the next one. Peace.